चलो भाई देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ.
Today we are going to talk a very important topic again as normal about also a scientifically topic about a earth and how is he shaped. Is he a round or is he a not round?
कुछ भी मारो मुझे मारो मुझे मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है. एक सेकंड यार मजाक हो रहा है. नहीं ये
When we are studying in a small time, we are going to make a proof today. Use a science only to make a proof about this one. So in a scientific, all the video today, all the scientific formula I will explain for why a earth will not around. Turn to the South Pole, the other. Now he is standing on a South Pole and also a gravity now is going to pull him. I'm going to draw the same type gravity. Now you see the gravity in the South Pole is pull him down again. But here because of gravity forces, the formula gravity, he will be pulled away from a earth and he have to go away. He will fly into a spaces. Thanks for watching this one.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.